First of all, I just want to say a massive thank you for deciding to purchase this add-on alongside your Figma Advanced video course. So basically what it's going to give you is it's going to give you access to a couple of more modules and videos, and they're going to take all of the Figma knowledge that you've gained and help you look at different types of design projects from a different perspective. We're going to design a responsive website together, a mobile application, an iPad app, a wearable app, and also a web application. So you're going to have the context of 5 different types of projects and 5 different types of users and so on. To build your skill set faster and to help you make better decisions as a designer based on the type of project you're faced with. Because you might be working on a lot of websites, or you might be someone working on a lot of apps, and you're not going to be making decisions in the same way. So that's what we're going to cover in here. But there's also one other thing that I want to ensure you do before we move on and actually start designing, and that's adding relevant files to your Figma. So as you know, with your advanced Figma video course, you gained access to all of these pre-made templates with different screen sizes and also some additional elements that might be useful to you as you're designing to know where to place things for all different types of projects. So definitely bring that into your Figma. Just download the file and kind of drag it from that folder inside your Figma. It's going to load for a couple of moments, and then you're going to have access to this file. And do the same thing for the doggy daycare library. Now this is something that only you as someone who added this add-on gained access to, but it's a library with pre-made styles and components that we're going to use to design. So as you know, in the course we went through all of the different things that you need to do to kind of build your design assets the right way. And now we're actually going to take that and use it inside of different types of projects. So you're going to see when to use what kind of textual style, when to apply what color, how does spacing decisions differ if you're building a mobile app versus a responsive website and you're building for a large desktop, and so on and so on. So basically, you can either, if you don't have a pro plan, just kind of use it like this and design in this file as soon as you drag it into your Figma. Or if you have a pro plan and you're able to use libraries, go into here, ensure that this is turned on as a library. So basically publish it as a library, and then go into your design file that you're going to create yourself. Go under assets, go in here, look for the name of the library, and just kind of turn it on in here with a toggler, and that's going to connect it. And you can now easily look for components in here, drag them inside and use them in your design. So instead of a large button, you might use a small one, and so on and so on. So that's it. Hopefully all of the tips and kind of different design decisions that I'm going to be making as a very senior product designer is going to help you learn and apply everything that we've learned about Figma from the perspective of someone who's actually building different types of projects and kind of is designing mobile apps, websites, and so on. And you're going to see me make different decisions based on the product that we're going to be building. So yeah, I can't wait to see what we're going to build in the next couple of videos.